Today we are making Spanish oranges with toasted almonds, a bright fruit dessert from Spain. It takes about 20 minutes and serves 4 people. Let us get started. First, let's check the ingredients. 4 large oranges. Choose sweet, juicy oranges for the best flavor. 1/2 cup sliced almonds. We will toast them for crunch and aroma. 3 tablespoons honey. This will sweeten and glaze the oranges. 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil. It brings a silky Spanish touch. 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon. Classic Spanish warmth and aroma. 1 teaspoon orange blossom water. Just enough floral lift. 2 teaspoons granulated sugar, optional. Use it if your oranges are more tart. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Wash 4 large oranges and pat them dry. Place a mixing bowl and a small skillet on the counter so they are ready. Slice off the top and bottom of each orange. Stand one upright and trim away the peel and the white pith with a sharp knife. Hold the peeled orange over the mixing bowl and slice the segments free between the membranes so the juice drips into the bowl. Repeat the process with all 4 oranges. Keep every segment and all the juice together in the bowl. In a small bowl, whisk 3 tablespoons honey, 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon orange blossom water until the dressing is smooth. Taste the dressing. If you want it sweeter, whisk in 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar until it is fully dissolved. Set a small dry cast iron skillet over medium heat and add 1/2 cup of sliced almonds. Toast the almonds, stirring constantly, until they are fragrant and golden. This takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Transfer the toasted almonds to a plate and let them cool for 2 minutes. Arrange the orange segments from all 4 oranges on a white serving plate in overlapping circles, and pour any collected juice over them. Drizzle the dressing evenly over the oranges so every piece gets a glossy coat. Scatter the cooled toasted almonds evenly over the top. Refrigerate the platter for 10 minutes so the flavors come together, or serve right away if you prefer. Serve the Spanish oranges with toasted almonds chilled or at cool room temperature. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a new one. Pour about 2/3 of the filling over the frozen crust and smooth the top with an offset spatula. Spoon half of the cooled raspberry sauce over the filling and swirl gently with a skewer. Add the remaining filling on top and smooth again. Spoon the remaining raspberry sauce and swirl to create a marble pattern. Tap the pan to level, then cover tightly. Freeze until completely firm, at least 6 hours or overnight. To unmold, warm the sides of the pan with a warm cloth for 30 seconds, run a thin knife around the edge, release the spring, and peel away the parchment collar. Top with 1/2 cup of fresh raspberries, slice with a warm knife, and serve right away. Return any leftovers to the freezer. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.